What up guys, so welcome back to another video. So in this video guys, as you can see guys, this is na the website that I was talking about. To be honest guys, hindi naman siya masyadong kagandahan, pero the goal here is, as I've said, is the goal here kasi is for you to watch the tutorial and directly learn from it, and also download the source code para hindi na kayo mahirapan like ganon. So and also, kung makikita nyo, hindi naman talaga to, to be honest, yung like first website na mali-deploy ko. Like, yung isa is yung sa OJT namin, kaso hindi natuloy because of time and financial problems, I think. So, eto guys, kung makikita nyo, sa WordPress ko siya, like, ginawa. Kasi magtataka kayo, bakit WordPress? So, basically, WordPress, madali lang siya guys. Like, it saved a lot of time since sinimulan ko to be honest, kasi kung i-code ko to like yung hard code talaga, like hanap akong template, okay lang naman, wala namang problema. The problem is, siguro tapos ng pandemic, hindi ko pa to tapos. Seryoso guys, I mean, masyadong maraming features and masyadong maraming gagawa pa ako ng dashboard ko dito. I mean, you can imagine, di ba? Like, ako lang gagawa, tapos ganun yung mga features. So, yeah. So, medyo tagilid. So, pasensya na yung mga aso dito. Yun guys. Eto, I just want to make this super quick. So, makikita nyo guys, napakasimple lang naman. If you want to search, just search it here. Homepage. So, some videos na gusto kong like, ito yung first programming language. Then, yung update sa JDK, GRE, NetBeans, then Q&A. Then you can also support my friends. Eto, nakita nyo yun, like, learning takes time. So, just click them here. Yan, then click them, then subscribe. So, sana guys, I hope na you'll support them too. So, yan. Also, yan, sige, So, yun, eto guys, about the site, blah, blah, blah. Eto. So, and contact and social. So, eto, you can, then donate. Donate. So again guys, it's optional lang naman guys, optional. So Ember Spirit for business inquiries, ganon. So sa about page is simple lang naman guys, just a simple like about this tutorial, about the channel, ganon. So basahin nyo na lang. So you can share it also here sa mga social links. Then the daily posts, etong mga daily posts is dito may isang naka-pinned, which is eto. So basically dito, like pag may eto, click ko na lang to. Yan. So ayan, basahin nyo na lang. So this post is pinned, as you can see. Dito ko kasi ilalagay yung mga uploaded tutorials dito, like yung mga daily posts. Parang may new post ako dito, like parang newsfeed, ganon. So announcements and giveaway. So why not? Soon. So stay tuned. So, eto, nakalimutan kong so top 3 donator. So, napag-isipan ko sana ng like top 10. So, basically si Ma'am Susan Ricker pa lang. So, meron ba guys like sa WordPress na you can like connect yung recent na nag-donate and automatic na dito kasi manual pa lang to. I don't know, tingnan ko na lang. Ganon. So, yun, ang pinaka-importante dito is etong programming tutorial. So, if you want to go na to the programming tutorials, my programming tutorials, so just click programming tutorials. Ganyan. So, again, you can also see my socials here. Ito, yan. So, yan. Basahin nyo na lang your first programming language. Yun. Then, just choose and click for the tutorial. So, ito guys, my former channel name. Nigay ko lang dito. Kasi why not? So, for example, let's try C. So, again guys, yung template dito is just the same for every tutorial. So, simple lang to. Again guys, as I've said, gusto ko lang tong website na to make it super duper simple. Cause, simple lang. Wala nang masyadong etchos, simple lang. So, kung magtataka ka rin kung bakit dark yung background, kasi why not? I mean, napag-isipan ko lang na gawin na dark mode, parang dark mode, cause programmers tayo, then, di ba, gano'n, napag-isipan ko rin, maybe ang iba kasi sa inyo, like, if nagko-code kayo sa madilim na lugar, at least hindi masakit, if ever you visited my etong website, so, hindi masakit sa kasi, imagine nyo kapag white ang background dito, like, ang sakit sa mata, di ba? Alam mo yung liwanag, ganun. So, yun. If you have suggestions pa din, please comment down below. So, yun. Clinic ko. So, ulitin natin. So, asan na yun? So, just click for the tutorial, guys. You can drag there. Yan. 4 lang to. For now, C, Java, Python, HTML, CSS, then just click for the tutorial. So, kung makikita nyo guys, yung template, yung format ng template is the same for every programming language na tutorial. So, you have a search here, yung title, yung yung socials ko, ulit, then the author, then the video, then a short description here. Then, sa baba, the source code. So, source code here, then may note ako dito, I'll explain this later. So, the source code, as of now, walang source code dito kasi nag-download tayo ng software dito. Then, you can comment down below. So, may required mark, may butiki lang. I mean, may required fields. So, eto yung name at saka email, yung website is just temporary. So, you can comment down here if you have questions sa specific tutorial. Feel free, guys. So, post, comment. So, eto, nakita nyo, yung sunod is 2, yung next. Kasi 1 to. Yan. So, you can click that. Then, 2. Then, you can go to the previews. Then, to the next. Ganun lang, guys. Simple, di ba? So, yung sinasabi kong eto, in showing the, yung may something na bug pa ata to, I think. Or maybe sa template. So, yung \n kasi, guys. Yung etong backslash. So, hindi kasi nagdi-display siya dito. Hindi niya dinidisplay dito. Dito lang, oh. Sa source code na pinapakita. Yung backslash, so n lang yung lumalabas, so it kinda sucks pero okay lang. So basically, kung sa ibang source codes lang naman na may mga \n, so basically guys, you can download na lang them if wala dito yung \n. Dito naman sa download is nandun naman yun cause source code yun eh. Eto pinapakita lang dito, ayan. So you can yung raw nito, ganyan, and also you can copy this. Copy. Click nyo lang tong copy. Then, notepad. Control V. Boom. You got it. Ganun ba? So, external, ganyan. So, basically, ganyan. So, eto nga I've said, ayun yung comment, ganon. Then, next. Then, previews. Ganon. So, for example, download tayo. So, yan. Download ka lang. So, kung makikita nyo guys, naka-zip file siya. Kung magtatanong kayo, bakit siya naka-zip file? Pag-isipan ko na kasing zip file na lang cause if we have tutorials na marami ang files like multiple files, so basically inalagay ko lang siya sa isang folder, ginizip ko yung folder na yon, at least kapag dinownload nyo, extract nyo lang, ganyan. So sa ngayon, isang file lang naman siya, so ito na mismo yung in-extract ko, like for example, meron tayong multiple files, then ilalagay ko yun sa isang folder, then yung folder na yun ang i-zip ko. So, at least madali. And yung size ng file is at least, compressed. Ganun. So, yun. So, again guys, yung 3, 4, sunod-sunod na yan guys. Sunod-sunod na yan. So, if you want to search for the specific tutorial, just type C tutorial. For example, pangilan na to? 3. If you want to search like for the 10, just type 10. Hashtag 10. So, makita nyo yung mga 10 dito, pang 10 na ibang tutorials. So, ito yung sa C. Ganyan. So, di ba? Ito. So, short description here, then the video, then the source code. You can copy it here, or you can download it here. Kung walang \n dito, basically dito sa download is meron. Yun. So, as I've said, sa pag-display lang naman, tinanggal ko yung \n. Pero dito sa source code mismo, nandun yun. So, yun. Comment, blah, blah, blah. So, again, guys, yung template is just the same to other programming languages, tutorials. Let's try Java. Ganon. So, again, di ba, the same lang siya. So, yung video dito, yung title dyan, yung links dito, description here. Eto, yung source code, yung \n. Ayan. Tapos, yung source code. Eto, yung download naman, depende kung may source code yung ilalagay ko dito. Kapag may dina-download tayong software like NetBeans, then redirect to the official site. So comment, then next, then sunod is Again, the source code. Ayan. Same lang naman, di ba? Yung ano, yan, yung source code, I mean, yung next, then yung previous. Ganon. So, yung donators, top 3. So, kung magtataka kayo, meron ditong naka-border, parang rectangle. So, one reminder lang, ito about in Java. So, one reminder for Java tutorial source codes, guys. Source codes. In Java, guys, kapag wait lang. So, kapag nag-download kayo, guys, ng etong yung source code dito sa Java, ang mada-download nyo dito, guys, is yung Java file. Okay? It's not the project created in Apache NetBeans. So, yung Java file, yung Java file, .java file mismo ang mada-download nyo dito. So, kung titingnan natin, example natin, download source code, ganyan. So, yung Java file ang mada-download nyo dito. Alisin ko yan. Ayan. So, ganyan. Extract. Ganyan. Ito yung sinasabi ko. So, click nyo na, open nyo lang yan. Ito yung Java file mismo, guys, yung mada-download nyo ditong source code. Hindi yung project na created in NetBeans. So, kung gusto mo tong iparan sa, Apache NetBeans, ito, sinabi ko na, kung gusto mo iparan sa Apache NetBeans, just simply create a project in NetBeans, then open mo yung na-download mo na source code dito, which is ito. Then, copy mo yung buong code, then i-paste mo lang doon sa .java file, doon sa project mo sa NetBeans. And also, guys, do not forget to include the package name. Okay? Kasi wala naman dito. Hindi ko na dito in-include kasi it's up to you na yon. Isusulat nyo lang naman yung package name kung asan, di ba? Alam nyo yun, di ba, guys? So, basically, alam na yon. So, nakadepende na kasi sa package name nyo kung ano yung magiging package name nyo. So, ganun lang yung reminder na nilagay ko dito. So, basically, that's it, guys. As I've said, gusto ko lang tong gawin na super simple. Ayan, you can just simply drag here. Kung pili kayo ng tutorials. Let's try the Python. Again, same lang siya. Title here, search here. Python tutorial number 1 to. Let's go for number 4. Ayan, yung 4. Ganyan. So, you can click it. Then, socials here. Title here. The description here. Video here. Source codes here. Again, the \n. Eto, source codes here. You can try it out. Download it here. Okay, naka-zip siya. You can comment. You got any questions? Just comment it here. So, post comment. Boom. So, previews. Nasa tutorial 4 ka. So, the previous is 3. The next is 5. So, ganun lang, guys. As I've said, simple lang siya, di ba? Yun rin yung goal ko dito is to make it super simple. Simple lang, pero at least presentable. Presentable ba, guys? I mean, you know, for first time ko to be honest. So, again, same for HTML, CSS. Yan, yung yung socials, blah, blah, blah. Yung video, source codes. \n na naman, warning. Then, eto yung source code. Yun. So, questions. Next. Ganon. Yan. So, for example, eto. Again, guys, simple lang, di ba? So, di ba? So, yan. So, tingnan natin. Let's kind of explore. So, eto yung source codes. Ayan. So, you can copy them or it's either you download them. So, it's up to you, guys. It's up to you. So, like, for example, copy natin to. Wow, narinig niyo ba 'yon? So, yan. So, 'di ba? Kinapi ko ganyan. So, click niyo lang tong copy, yan. So, magka-copy niyo na 'yan. So, yun, guys. So, yun. So, I hope na ano pa kayong changes or ang i-add ko dito. So, comment down, guys, if may gusto kayong i-add up, like anything, guys. So, yun, guys, as I've said, first time ko to. Maybe sa inyo is hindi, like, ang pangit naman ng website mo, gano'n. So, okay lang. I mean, I can take criticism naman. So, if you have suggestions, like gusto nyo for me to improve this, why not? Feel free to comment it down below. So, sana lang is wag kayo mag-comment ng medyo violent, gano'n. So, at least lang yung medyo in a nice way, gano'n. You get the point naman, di ba? Gano'n. So, yun lang, guys. So, as I said, super simple lang, simple lang yung goal ko dito cause that's the point. Yun lang. So, yun guys, thank you so much for the tutorial. I hope na you're all good. So, yun. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. So, thank you so much for being awesome. So, again, di ko to palalampasin. So, you guys are awesome. Thanks for being awesome. So, Angelo Guevara. So, thank you so much. So, I'm trying my best, guys, na ma-pronounce ng tama yung name nyo. Cause, yun guys, as respect. Yun. So, Jason Kalma. Thank you so much po. Herzlia Jane. Thank you so much. And Rachel Taganas, thank you so much po. And Kim Rogador. So, Rogador, thank you so much po. So, and Slick G, thank you so much. And J Lord Manila, so thank you so much po. And Mr. Valentine's, wow, thank you. And Joshua Hermoso, thank you so much po. And Bricks Nabuna 27. So, maraming salamat po guys. So, yun, as I've said, again, I choose some top 10 subscribers. Yun. So, as bilang ito, pasasalamat. So, I'm doing this hanggat sa maubos ko kayo guys. Yun. So, sa mga new subscribers, so, yun, like, doon sa listahan kasi ng subs, like, nag-a-add up sila if ever may mga new subscribers, which is okay lang naman, so walang problema. So, thanks so much guys, again. So, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa tutorials and may natututunan kayo. So, yun, thank you so much, and out.